Finally, it showed up. The first real images of the Avata 360 have just been posted, and the combos and their prices have also leaked. In this video, we're going to look at the new details revealed by these images. Last year, we saw many new developments in the drone market, marked by several launches that raised the technological level, with the introduction of new accessories that have become almost mandatory on modern drones, such as LiDAR sensors, omnidirectional obstacle avoidance systems, better cameras, longer range, and increased flight time. But without a doubt, what caught the most attention was the beginning of the 360-degree drone era, with the launch of the anti-gravity A1 and the leaks surrounding the Avata 360. And now, we've just received even more surprising revelations about this new DJI drone that's about to be launched. Just to recap, this new generation of 360-degree drones began on August 14th, when the market was shaken by the announcement of anti-gravity, supposedly the world's first 360-degree drone. It was unveiled through a massive marketing campaign, with multiple teasers released in advance, building huge anticipation. But that move pushed DJI to react, letting some images of its own 360-degree drone leak while it was already in the final testing phase. After learning this, Anti-Gravity rushed to bring forward the start of sales for its drone, and on December 4th it launched the Anti-Gravity A1. This was a rushed marketing move, adopted to try to get ahead in the battle of 360-degree drones. Now that Anti-Gravity has already been launched and some units are reaching consumers' hands, we're starting to uncover more details about its real-world performance. I made a very detailed video on this topic, revealing what's truly innovative and what's just marketing hype. I'll leave the link at the end of this video. The last time we had information about the Avata 360 was through those November leaks, and they were very revealing. Even though they were illustrative images, they brought valuable clues about its main features. But this week we got new leaks that, for the first time, show real images of the drone, confirming the information from the previous leaks. This image supposedly shows the items included in a Fly More combo, and the first thing we notice is that all the accessories share the same color as the controller. The charging hub is holding 3 batteries and appears more compact, with rounded edges. The drone seems to be about the same size as the Avata 2, but its propellers have 4 blades, and it's lower and longer, giving it a flatter, more compact look, similar to the Neo 2 design. It's shown with the camera protector on and without the battery. The controller is the RC2, confirming compatibility with O4 transmission technology. Finally, we can see what appears to be the set of manuals. In the other image, we can see the RC2 powered on, and the image shown on the screen is the rear of an Avata 2 without the battery installed. Notice that the Avata 360 is in FPV mode, meaning only the front lens is active, delivering a wide field of view, while the other lens is facing backward and turned off. Another detail we can observe is that the Avata 360 will use a camera protection system similar to the Neo 2, with more advanced propeller guards and these protrusions designed to protect the lens in case of impact with flat surfaces. At the end of last year, this image leaked on a Chinese social network, revealing surprising information about the Avata 360 combo prices. The prices are listed in yuan, China's currency, so we're going to convert them to US dollars to make things easier to understand. The most basic version includes only the drone and 1 battery, and costs 2,988 yuan, which is equivalent to about $450. Back in November, I made a video estimating the possible Avata 360 combo prices, and the price I predicted for this version was $500. So in this latest leak, the $450 price came in even lower. However, there's an important detail to consider. These prices are for the Chinese market. For a global launch, I believe $500 is still a more realistic price point. This basic version is aimed at users who plan to use the Avata 360 autonomously, controlling the drone through new advanced tracking features, similar to the Mini 5 and Neo 2, which offer updated active track modes that can follow subjects at high speed while avoiding obstacles quickly and safely. It's also possible that the Avata 360 will support gesture controls, allowing you to guide the drone without using a controller. And since it's expected to be compatible with all these options, voice commands,
"Hey Fly, take a droney,"
Wi-Fi control, and even a new control method via Apple Watch, are also likely to be included. The Avata 360 will also have another budget combo that includes the RC2 controller and one battery. This version is expected to launch in the Chinese market for 3,988 yuan, which is roughly $600. However, for the global release, I believe $700 is a more realistic price, since the controller alone costs around $375. This new information confirms the earlier leaks, showing that the Avata 360 will be compatible with the latest controllers that use O4 transmission technology. We'll also have a Fly More combo version that includes the RC2 controller, 3 batteries, a charging hub, and a carrying bag. In the Chinese market, it's expected to launch for 5,688 yuan, which is roughly $800. For the global market, however, this combo should land closer to the $1,000 range. There will also be an FPV version that includes the goggles N3, the motion controller, 3 batteries, a charging hub, and a carrying bag. This version is expected to launch in the Chinese market at the same price as the previous combo, 5,688 yuan, or about $800, but it should also reach the global market price around $1,000. When the Avata is in stabilized FPV mode, it will behave similarly to the Neo 2, taking full advantage of the latest obstacle avoidance technologies. So when it's being controlled with the Motion Controller 3, together with the Goggles 3, or the more affordable Goggles N3, it will likely be assisted by front-facing LiDAR and anti-collision sensors, in addition to the traditional rear optical sensors and the downward infrared sensor, delivering a smooth and safe flight experience. But without a doubt, the Avata's biggest differentiator is FPV flight in manual mode, which unlocks the drone's full potential. In this mode, all sensors are disabled to give more experienced pilots complete freedom to perform aggressive maneuvers. However, to access this mode, the FPV Controller 3 is required, and this controller won't be included in any combo, as it will continue to be sold separately at roughly the same current price, around $200. The biggest new feature of this drone will be its 360-degree mode. When activated, the gimbal will position itself so that the 2 spherical lenses face upward and downward. Each of these lenses is expected to have a 180-degree field of view and 4K resolution. These images will then be stitched together using AI processing, making the drone itself invisible and creating a single 8K 360-degree image that captures everything around it, allowing you to choose the best angle during final editing. This leak also suggests that when the Avata is flying in 360 mode, it will be assisted by an omnidirectional obstacle avoidance system. But notice that it only appears to have dedicated sensors on the front. Because of that, I believe the Avata will use the 360 camera lenses themselves as optical sensors, working together with the other sensors and the LiDAR to deliver powerful all-around protection. The Avata 360's camera will likely have specs very similar to the Osmo 360, which uses a 1-inch sensor. When shooting in panoramic mode with both lenses, it captures photos at a maximum resolution of 120 megapixels and records 8K at 50 frames per second. And when it uses only one lens, which in the drone's case would correspond to FPV mode, it shoots 30 megapixel photos and records 5K at 60 frames per second. One thing that should improve a lot is the range. Right now, the Avata 2 reaches about 13 kilometers, but the Avata 360 will likely come with DJI's most recent transmission system, O4+, which reaches 20 kilometers and delivers far superior stability. And that's exactly what matters for an FPV drone. Image quality and ultra-low latency in the video feed make all the difference when performing high-speed maneuvers. As for battery life, the official Avata 360 label has just leaked, and based on that data, we can estimate a small improvement in endurance, going from the current 23 minutes of the Avata 2 to around 25 minutes on the Avata 360. And proportionally, we can also estimate the weight, which should be slightly higher, moving from 377 grams to approximately 400 grams. I believe the internal storage will also get a significant upgrade, jumping from the Avata 2's 46 gigabytes to something around 128 gigabytes on the Avata 360, and it should still be expandable via SD card. This larger capacity is essential, since 8K files are extremely heavy. And here we reach an important point. The Avata 360 won't be a drone for beginners. Both of its flight modes require some level of experience, not only for FPV flying, but also for handling and editing 360-degree footage. You'll also need a powerful computer and extra time for editing this type of content. If all these rumors turn out to be true, the DJI Avata 360 has everything it needs to become the most innovative drone the brand has ever released. It's set to push drone technology to a whole new level, opening up new possibilities for professionals and enthusiasts who want to extract the full potential of immersive 360-degree footage. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.